If you are searching for that, how to earn money, this video is for you. In this video, I will cover all steps to earn money by making AI cartoon. But wait. If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe my channel. The first step. Open Leonardo AI and search for image that you want for your story. Link is in the description. This site is free to generate AI images. Type your prompts that you want in your image. Your image will be in a while. Then you download the image into your PC. The images are in HD. The number of image can be set manually. After downloading the images. Step number 2. Open the tab and search for Runway AI. This site provides the animation to following images. This site is also free. This site provides you 3D animation to your images that you download from Leonardo AI. Sign in to Runway AI and click for text to image. In this site, animation is made by providing prompts or provide image with description, the type animation you want. Provide the image that you already download from Leonardo. Then give description and click on generate. Wait a while the image is ready. Then you download your image. This site is free. You can animate all of your images that you download already. Complete the animation part. Then, the third step is generate AI voice. There are many free sites to generate AI voice. But the good choice is go for Clipchamp, which is free site and I also use for this video. The Clipchamp is also best for edit the videos. Mostly I used Clipchamp for editing video, but I also used CapCut. Sign to in Clipchamp for free. Open it. Go to create and record. Clip for text to speak, where you find every language of the world and variety of voice in male and female voices. Adjust the speed of the voice and pitch of voice. Type the prompts that you want the voice. The text range can is more than 1,000 words at once. I also used the same voice from Clipchamp. And I also used Clipchamp for the editing of this video. I will the link in the description.